Hello everyone, welcome back to SAP Top Notch. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to SAP Sales and Distribution module. Let's start quickly. So SAP R3 is tightly integrated with different modules: Sales, Production Planning, Service Management, Quality Plant Maintenance, Finance, Controlling. All those are tightly integrated with each other in SAP R3. Out of which we are going to discuss only, Sales and Distribution as a part of this particular video. We can say sales and distribution as a definition what it is. So anything which you sell, ship, bill and service. So end-to-end solution to it is called sales and distribution. So as a definition, we can simply read through: mechanism to execute the business process used in selling, shipping, billing of products and services is called sales and distribution. It is tightly coupled data flow to the other SAP modules. As we have seen in the previous screen, there are different modules like your production planning, your quality management, your finance, your controlling. All those are tightly integrated to give you the complete end-to-end business process flow. Okay, so it is tightly coupled with all the other modules. Then flexible and robust functionality that is tailored through configuration. So based on the business requirement of or you can say simply, if client is giving you certain requirement in the area of sales and distribution, you will simply configure those, and you can make it flexible as well as you can make it robust. The solution depends on the business requirement, and that is the reason this statement comes here. So your configuration plays important part here, how you're going to structure the business in the area of sales and distribution. Moving on to the next screen, sales component, SD components. So SD components are normally master data, sales, transportation, billing, shipping, support, sales support, foreign trade. Okay, out of which you can say master data is very, very important. It comprises of your material master, your customer master, your service master, your price list and pricing condition, all those aspects. Okay, so this is the foremost important slide here, which shows the sales organization. So how sales organization is built. In this case, you are able to see at the header, there is one client. Below that, there is a company code. And after the company code, there are sales organization. Here I have represented three sales organization for sake of understanding: a domestic sales organization, Europe sales organization, Asia Pacific sales organization. So based on the different business lines and to get the analytics done at that level, you can simply define different sales organization to get the reportings and to do end-to-end business transaction in that areas. Okay. So now I'll take the example of this. Within the domestic sale, you can create different distribution channels like direct sale, wholesale, and retail. Okay, so these are the distribution channel. Below distribution channel, you can define further divisions to get the reporting at that level maybe, or you want to do the transaction, you want to analyze all sales related stuff at that level. You can have different divisions. So within this sales organization, we will simply move on to the next screen and see the definitions of it to understand it in more details. So what is sales organization? Okay, sales and distribution products. So that is the reason we need sales organization. You can define certain terms of sales responsible for the business transactions. Then critical organization element to define the business markets, and a business transaction is linked to the sales organization. So within the sales organization, you can define the business transaction end-to-end flow also. So to do any sort of end-to-end sales related process, you need to have sales organization is in place. Then there is a distribution channel. So as the name says, distribution channel, how you distribute direct sales, wholesale and retails is nothing but defined as a distribution channel here. The channel through which goods sold to the customer. Okay, identifies how products and services reach to the customer. Based on this definition, definitely can be assigned to one or more sales organization. This is important statement here. A distribution channel can be assigned to one or more sales organizations. Moving on to the division, as I said, you can define a division to like different production lines, so that you can have different sales related process mapped to that line. So oftentimes used to define product line distribution, org level, to which customer specific information and requirements are maintained for the given division. Assigned to, again, an important statement, a division can be assigned to one or more sales organizations. Okay. Then what is sales area? As I said in the previous screens, it is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So all these three combination comprise a sales area here. So sales area is very important to get the statistical analysis done within the sales organization. Moving on to the further, one example has given for the sales area. So I have shown one domestic sales at a as a organization, sales organization. Then there is different distribution channel, direct, wholesale, and retail. And then there are divisions. Okay. So if I say what is sales area here, the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division is one sales area. So I can say this sales organization, this distribution channel, and this division becomes second sales area. Similarly, this sales organization, then this is the distribution channel, and this division can become a third sales area. Okay. And the final, the sales functions. So what are the different functions in which sales complete process is comprised of all these business processes, wherein first process is inquiry and quotation. You do certain inquiries, based on that, a quotation will be raised. That quotation converts into a sales orders. You dispatch the sales orders. If in case there are certain returns, there will be a return process to it. We can have different contract and scheduling agreements done to simplify the flows in terms of business requirements. Sometimes not, it is not feasible to always raise a service order. If you have a contract and schedule and agreements, the things can be automated. We can do the consignment process also, rush order and the cash order, back order and subsequent deliveries, credit and debit memo requests. So these are the different business functions in which we execute the end-to-end flow of the sales. So what we'll do is, in coming videos, I will, for each on every different these topics, I will go into the details and I'll explain it how it's supposed to be happen in SAP. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel so that we will be in touch and you will get more knowledge in this area. Thank you very much for watching.